What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. Right now I'm here working out real quick. But my big surprise is, let me flip it around for you. My big surprise, I got my first road bike. I don't know how to use it quite yet, but it's a Trek. It's one of the least expensive ones. I paid $850 for this one. Brand new. Got the little water pack. Now I do have to learn how to use the gears and stuff like that. Never had a road bike. Every time I bought a bike, it was either stolen when I was younger, or I haven't had a bike in years, to tell you the truth. So bear with me. Everybody does dumb shit when they're young, but this one is pretty cool so far. Once I learn how to do it and use it, I'll do more videos. I got a light for the dark when I'm riding in the nighttime. Got a front light. So far so good. I mean, I still gotta get used to it. I forgot the name of it. I have the paper at home. I still have to look through it and stuff like that. So far, just learning and stuff like that. You know, I had by my CamelBak water bottle, connected the thing to it. I do want to get pedals for it, different pedals. So I can get some road bike shoes, some mountain road bike shoes, which I heard is better for biking. A real quick video, real quick. I'll be making more videos on my bike. Hopefully, start doing a couple of miles a day. I'm gonna start off real slow and learn how to use it first. It just what's getting me is the gears, because you know these, you press left and right. There goes the gear right here, left and right on both sides. So I'll learn little by little. I always wanted a bike, so I just went and did it instead of waiting and say, oh, I'm gonna learn first. Buy the bike and learn while riding. So that's my quick video, my little trek right here. Once I get home, I'll make another video, let you know what type of bike it is. It's a 54. I know the frame, I believe, is 54 inch, if I'm not mistaken. For all my bike people, if you wanna let me know. But I mean, it's a starter bike. I got the matted black. I know it's a little bit shiny on top, but most of it is matted. I do have a helmet. First time wearing helmets to ride bike, but one of the pros in riding a bike, he said the most important part is wearing the helmet. So I'm not wearing the helmet now because I'm like 2 minutes away from my house and there's no roadways. It's basically simple. So there goes my bike, a Trek. Biking with Mr. Hip Hop Vegan 2019-2020. Peace.